Hello, my name's Alejandro. I just finished my freshman year. I was raised in Houston, Texas, and I'm a physics major at UT. My plans after graduation consist of being able to attend grad school. So the research stream that I chose for FRI was quantum computing. This research stream works with the UT Center for Quantum Research, which is essentially a research laboratory that focuses on understanding quantum phenomena just for the sake of itself and also understanding it in order to be able to apply it to different technologies. And so I think a natural question that a lot of you might have is why I actually chose this stream. And the reason for that consists of two things. So the first one is that I really like physics and science. So I thought that choosing this stream would be a good way to better understand quantum mechanics in general, even though it's really early to do so. And the second reason is because I really like technology. And so, what better way to learn about both things than joining the quantum research stream? However, I think, like a lot of you, I was worried whenever I first joined the stream because in my head, I didn't think I had the programming experience or knowledge about quantum mechanics to the point where I would actually be able to succeed. And I recall being really anxious about this. But thankfully, the people who worked at the stream, my peer mentors, and also my research educator and my principal investigator, they did a great job in order to be able to make me feel just right at home and essentially teaching me from the ground up what I needed in order to be able to succeed in the course. So if you're somebody like me who really likes physics or science in general and wants to get a better understanding of new technologies that are coming up, like quantum computing, quantum key distribution, or anything that's related to quantum phenomena, joining this research stream is a really good idea. It might seem intimidating at first, but I guarantee you that it's going to be worth it. The Freshman Research Initiative offers something special, and that's the fact that it lets freshmen like you be able to initiate research, which is something that most STEM students either don't even get to do during their careers or they do it during their junior or senior year. Being able to join FRI gives you a step forward into being able to be more competitive, whether it's for graduate school or for a career in the workforce. FRI prepares you in many ways, and it's prepared me. I got to be able to work with a great team of people who all had a common interest to become better at understanding quantum computing. And this included becoming better at programming, becoming better at understanding quantum mechanics. And this essentially boils down to just being a better problem solver. And I think that the Freshman Research Initiative really helps you in this regard.